What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shazzy, and I'm back with another video. What's up, badass gang? If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome to the Badazzshaz channel, where we talk about all things beauty, hair, self-love, self-care, and all of that. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and add me on my Instagram at Badazzshaz. Today's video, I will be showing you guys my top 5 beauty products from Amazon. Okay, y'all know your girl. I'm the beauty queen, okay? So I wouldn't be right if I wouldn't share with my badass gang what your girl recently purchased from Amazon, my beauty products, and here we go. Let's begin. First favorite Amazon beauty product that I purchased is the LED makeup vanity mirror. Okay, ladies, this is essential for your beauty room starter kit. So if you guys do not actually have a makeup vanity, the big vanity, and you're starting out small with a little dresser and stuff like that, and you put little pieces together, this mirror is super duper essential to put on your dresser. Okay, it's very small, it's lightweight, easy to travel with. I've traveled with it multiple times as I've went on vacation, and this is what it looks like. This is the mirror. Ooh, you guys can see me, my lights in the background. So it has 2 mirrors on the side, which is a 3x and a 2x, and then it has a small mirror right here, as well as a large middle mirror, and it also lights up. I don't have it plugged in, but once you press the middle button, the LED lights is right here and it lights up. So this is really good for a starter kit. So ladies, this is the one I highly recommend, and all the links will definitely be down in the description below. Guys, so the next item that I have from Amazon is called the Revlon Oil Absorbing Face Roller. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I know you guys are probably looking like, what the hell is this? But let me tell you guys. So this is a face oil absorbing roller ball. Okay, so basically I have oily skin. So when I wear makeup, eventually throughout the day, I have to pat my face. You guys remember blotting paper, right? Some of you guys may still use it. So this is actually like an updated version of blotting paper. So I get oils in my T-zone. You probably won't see it now, but what I'll do is take this rollerball oil and I'll just go like this on my face in my T-zone. And yes, it does not move your makeup, which is very good. Highly recommend. It does not move your makeup. So as you guys can see, it only absorbs the extra excess of oil. You guys can see, and nothing moves. My makeup is still intact, everything. The only thing that it does absorb, you know, maybe your foundation or whatever, which is natural, your concealer and whatever, but it doesn't move your makeup at all. Your makeup is always going to be in place. So thank God for makeup and its updated innovations, because baby, this has been a lifesaver. It is easy to carry in my bag, it's not messy, it's very small, so I highly recommend this. Okay, just cap it like that, and that's it. My next item, beauty product that I picked up from Amazon, is called my makeup brush cleansing mat. Oh, it's so pretty. So this mat is actually a 2-in-1 mat. So this is the mat where I clean my brushes, and this is the part that I hold my brushes. So with this cleansing part, basically what you do is I wash my makeup brushes with detergent. I know it sounds crazy, sounds silly, but I wash my makeup brushes with detergent. I feel like it is the most effective. I use Tide. So this is just a warning. If you guys are allergic to Tide, have sensitive skin, do not use Tide. Use anything product that you use personally, but I use Tide. So I run water, I put Tide on the mat, and I take my brush and I just go like this. Just rub, rub, rub until the residue runs out, runs down, and everything is squeaky clean. Okay, so on the next side is the holding of your brushes. So what I do is with my brush, I just select, they have different spots and shapes, so I just select which one fits the bottom of my brush, place it, and let my brushes dry. Simple, right? Okay, y'all can't tell me I'm making y'all life easier. Listen, I'm making y'all life easier. Bet on me. So yes, this is the 2-in-1 cleansing mat. It's very efficient, very effective, and it's a great addition piece to your beauty collection. Next product that I picked up from Amazon is my Infinity Pro by Conair 2-in-1 stainless styler, curl, wave, or straighten 1 inch. Ooh. So in my get ready me with you guys saw that I was curling my hair with this flat iron. This flat iron is a game changer. It is actually stainless steel on both sides and inside. So typically with your normal flat iron, it doesn't have stainless steel, so it doesn't curl as efficiently as you would like on the outside, but more so on the inside. So for me, when you curl, go like this, all curls is getting heat, which is perfect. So you don't have to do too much when it comes to this. You know, everything is polished, and for your girl, I need that, especially, you know, with the wigs, you know, you need that. You want to throw a little curl on the end, a little bump and rump. Like, listen, okay, this is a game changer flat iron. I have tons of flat irons, and none of them has worked the way that this does. And it also closes like this, so you can trap the heat, as well as the temperature goes up to 400. So you already know, like, this is my ish for the summer. Okay, ladies, recommend. Please get this styling tool. And the last item that I have from my Amazon beauty pickup is my makeup travel case. It looks big, but it's super duper sturdy. And here's what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, huge. I know, disregard, dirty. I had my face powder spill, but as you can see, it's very, very sturdy inside. You also have more compartments where you can minimize the sections. For me, I realized I only needed a large section and a semi-large section. So, and then right here, you can add additions to your makeup brushes right here. There's also a pocket where you can put palettes in right there. And yes, that is it. But this is very, very efficient. It carries a lot of makeup. Like, you can stuff the crap out of this case. Like, one of the best purchases I've definitely made. I'm so happy with this purchase. It does, you know, take up space a little bit, you know, a small space maybe in your suitcase or your travel bag or whatever, but honestly, you don't have to have too many different cosmetics case, because everything legit can be squeezed into here. Hey girl, so we come to the end of my top 5 favorite Amazon beauty products that I've recently purchased. I want to thank you guys for the continuous support and tuning in. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and your girl is back. Okay, stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye.